Good afternoon. I hope you find yourself in good health. I hope your family's doing well. Well, welcome to Money, personal financial management, creating a personal financial budget. I am here and I'm excited as we take on this literally new chapter in our lives, the chapter on money. I want to congratulate you for all your hard work, all your efforts, everything you have done to stick through this point. Just hang in there. We're almost done. We're just about the halfway point in the semester, and be confident. I believe in you. I know you can do it. Look at the progress you have done so far and feel proud once again. Anyhow, here is our chapter on money, creating a budget. Just like in our time management, we are looking at a tool that we can use through a spreadsheet. This is the budget that is pre-planned for us to share, and so I think it might be a budget more suited for after you graduate, because you do expect to at one point or another obtain a mortgage so you can buy a house. You do hope at one point or another to have credit cards. You may have student loans depending on your financial aid package or lack of. And then hopefully you won't get credit cards until then unless you absolutely need it. I hope that if you do find yourself in a need, you could hold off until we cover the aspect of credit, how to create credit, how to establish it, and more importantly, how to keep